non so, la gente si diventa matta così sto facendo, che se sta il Covid.
Buongiorno.
Qua. Allora intanto ben arrivati.
Grazie.
Buona domenica a tutti.
Altrettanto.
Allora io benedico i mezzi chiaramente,
Sì, anche noi.
ma benedico chi li guida soprattutto. Perché
E chi sta dietro?
ecco. Sia voi che guidate, se dovete trasportare qualche persona, ecco, che diate in sicurezza, o posso chiedere fare un bel giro.
Amen.
Padre nostro, che sei nei cieli, sia santificato il tuo nome, venga il tuo regno, sia fatta la tua volontà, come in cielo così in terra. Dacci oggi il nostro pane quotidiano e rimetti a noi i nostri debiti. Viene al Padre se non per mezzo di me. Se conoscete me, conoscerete anche il Padre. Fin da ora lo conoscete e lo avete veduto. Gesù dice che lui è la strada che porta al Padre, è il mezzo che porta al Padre. Quasi a ricordarci che lui si è paragonato a un mezzo di trasporto, a dirla molto banalmente. Perché? Perché il sapere andare da un punto all'altro usando i mezzi anche della realtà moderna, e allora benediciamo questi mezzi di trasporto che siano occasione bella e grande e per il lavoro e per il divertimento e per l'unione delle coppie, delle famiglie, delle persone belle e grandi. E penso che dia anche un senso di libertà e di bellezza. Io dico sempre, quando sei in strada, in un'autostrada o su una strada di montagna e vedi passare una bella moto o addirittura una fila di moto, è impossibile voltarsi, come quando che passa una tosa, te metti a guardare per forza, cioè si azevea sempre.
Fatti sentire! Dai, dai, veloce, veloce!
say when there's a halo around the moon.
Too slow. Won't be long till I see my girl again. Hey Lord, Lord, shove it up another notch. Pass around a bottle of scotch. You better do it right. See my baby tonight. Did you ever get the feeling like you've been on the road too long? Women looking younger, you wonder if you're playing it wrong. Though your kidneys give you trouble and your stomach don't know where it is, I'm gonna take this whole body of mine, send it on down, down the ever-loving line. 30 miles to go, I believe we're going too slow. Won't be long till I see my girl again. Hey Lord, Lord, shove it up another notch. You pass around that bottle of scotch. You better do it right. See my baby tonight. Puts it all together like a kitten with a ball of twine. Hey, 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 Virginia, you're looking good all the time. You got a head that's full of red river, belly full of red, red rosy wine. 30 miles to go, I believe we're going too slow. Won't be long till I see my girl again. Hey Lord, Lord, shove it up another notch. Pass around a bottle of scotch. You gotta do it right, Lord. See my baby tonight. Gotta do it right. Hey, see my baby tonight. Gotta do it right. See my baby tonight.
I sure do wish I could go back home, back to the place where I was first born. See all the people that I left back there. They likely won't know me, but I don't care. Going home, I'm going home. Going back to all the old places. Try to remember the forgotten faces. Walking the beach in the summertime, waiting for that warm evening moon to shine. So by Stone Creek down the woods, some will forget it, but I never could. Can't stay away one more day. soul that we pass in the night. Will we make the great connection? Leave the shackles of time far behind. Will we make the great connection and dwell in paradise? Mount your steed, young traveler, and ride on the wings of spirit and flight through the thunder and the lightning. Follow the road that leads to the land of peace and light. Will we make the great connection? Leave the shackles of time far behind. Will we make the great connection and dwell in paradise? And dwell in paradise. When I was just a little boy down on the farm, I'd sneak a peek at the Sears catalog out behind the barn. Wishbook dreaming, hoping and scheming, thinking about that picture show. It always takes me back to where the rooster grows. Then one day, there was fuzz on my face. I knew just what to do. I bought an old truck and I got dressed up. It'd be a dance or two. In the Baltimore daily newspaper, miracles really happen that way. Now you know me much better than any, and that is why I can call you my friend, call you my friend. In all the time that I've known you, never knowing that I let you down, in the tight desperation you stumbled, with nothing to show but these empty arms, empty arms. The way I'm living now, I might as well leave for Baltimore, and the sun keeps shining on, sun. In all the time that I've known you, never knowing that I let you down, in the tight desperation you stumbled, with nothing to show but these empty arms, empty arms. The way I'm living now, I might as well leave for Baltimore, and the sun keeps shining on, sun. The way I'm living now, I might as well leave for Baltimore, and the sun keeps shining on, sun. In the Baltimore daily newspaper, miracles really happen that way. Now you know me much better than any, and that is why I can call you my friend, call you my friend, call you my friend.
She ripped through this heart of mine like a weed eater with brand new line. There was no blood, no, there was no gore. She cut me clean, she cut me fine. I knew she never could be mine. Still I had been chained forevermore. I wonder if she's real, I really couldn't say. Well, I don't wanna know, 'cause she's so perfect far away. Won't see her again, I bet, but I don't think I soon forget the way she first said howdy to my brain. Wish I could say she looked my way, she never did, but that's okay. I looked at her and never was the same. I wonder if she's real, I really couldn't say. Well, I don't wanna know, 'cause she's so perfect far away. I wonder if she's real, I really couldn't say. Well, I don't wanna know, 'cause she's so perfect far away. Try to steal her, try to touch her, try to feel her. Yeah, I could try to make her be my own. Thoughts like these I gotta quit. Hey, I don't wanna ruin it. I guess some dreams are better